Thank you.
How's it
Good,
been?
good, good, good.
We
How you
had
guys?
placed an order on email for Taylor at
Taylor.
time.
Sounds American.
Yes, my mom
Hey.
found
Yes.
you.
I Indiana. I watch you on YouTube.
Oh,
And
thank
we-
you.
And this was
Yes.
on my checklist to make sure
To let you come. Oh, thank
Wheels
you.
to make-
You see the brownie just finished baking, just came out the oven. You see the difference. It's not as shiny as it usually is. And I figured that one of the reasons it's not as shiny as it is because when I did the melting the butter, it wasn't all fully melted. So it looks like a cake, or just like that brown, nice, crispy on top. Because the butter wasn't as hot, so the sugar didn't melt as it should have. So when I mix it, the butter turned into kind of like icing type of thing. This is where we get to when the butter's not fully melted or very hot. You know, when the butter's really hot and then the sugar melted quickly, nice and easy, and it become a nice and smooth mix. And now I don't have enough eggs, and it's 4:30. I can't make another one. So this is gonna be my brownie. It's still a brownie. So I have all the ingredients, just one little tiny thing to change the look, the texture. Don't fail. Most people don't fail to start, not because they don't have the skills, but because the lack of self-belief in themselves. And I see all the time, on comments and emails, and what stood out to me in those conversations is that people asking the wrong question before they start. It's like they say, what do I need to start? And I figure that question, your mind goes wild, and you start comparing. You start thinking, oh, Leo's got oven, Leo's got 3 fridges, Leo's got all this equipment, and I don't have the budget to do that. But instead, they ask that question. The right question to ask, based on my experience, is what do I already have that I can use to start what I need to do? This doesn't necessarily be a business, be a bakery. It could be any business. It's just thinking, what do I have now? Like I asked that myself, what do I have to use it? And I realized, okay, I have a car. I have my phone I can use to build my pages, Instagram or whatever, Facebook. My car uses delivery van, which I still do now. I have a home, I can use it as a micro bakery. Yeah, I started at home, now I'm renting these premises, but before that it was just a home. It's a tiny kitchen and flour everywhere, using the table, dining table as a bench. You know, it's already there. We already have the skill. It's not the skill we need more of. Most people have skills. It's just a lack of confidence and lack of belief. And the other thing is that confidence doesn't come after, or it doesn't come before you start. It comes after. I started without no confidence. I started not knowing. It's this other thing. I started not understanding the hydration of the bread. I was making bread. I was happy with it to eat, and then I started selling it. But we did not understand the concept of hydration. maybe I shouldn't say this, but yes, it's honest, it's truth. I wasn't, I didn't understand how, I could make a bread but you don't understand before actually how to measure the hydration, all the rest of it. So confidence doesn't come before you start, it comes after, with time, experience, repetition, error, and adjust, learn. So yeah, most people already have the skills, just waiting for the confidence. But confidence comes with one step, another step, one step, another step. That's how we learn to walk. We crawl, we stand up and fall and get up again. Stand up and fall and get up again. Can you imagine our mom and dad and dad just sit down and give up, don't do it. But no, we just get up and fall again. Get up and fall again. Get up and fall again. Yes, it's different to business because we're adults. No one to hold our hand sometimes. We just have to look it up in the mirror and say, okay, let's just keep trying, keep doing. Anyway, that was my thought for today. You don't need more equipment, more skills. Give a little self a little belief that you can start small. Check this out, my sneeze guard just broke. There it is. It's just broke, fell off, set up there, and then the wind blew it off. Now I need to get another one. Oh dear.
Hello.
Good morning.
Saw your friend Julian Bevan last night. Do you
Julian.
know him from Nisel's? This guy at the gym.
Oh, Julian, yes, that's right, yes. Yes.
Could I have one of these, please?
So, are you friends with him as well?
Yeah, he's an old mate.
Ah, it's good. It's good man, yes.
Hiya, how are you, Julian? Hi, Julian.
I've got good for me stuff and bad for me stuff.
Thank you. Good mix.
Life's all about balance.
Balance, that's it, that's balance now, yes. Good morning, sir.
I'm wondering if I want anything. I shouldn't.
Balance.
What are your loaves?
So we've come to sourdough, signature white, walnut and cranberry sourdough.
We'll have. What's the third one?
Walnut and cranberry sourdough.
No, we'll just have the.
Signature white.
Yeah. How are you?
Order Sharon.
So, so we've got one sourdough. Thank you.
Get your bread, which one? That,
Cranberry and walnut sourdough, a country sourdough, or signature white.
I'll have a signature one.
Sure. Now you're all balanced.
Now I'm all bad.
Thank you. Morning.
Yeah, sausage roll.
Sure. That's a boost.
Sorry?
The boost.
Yeah, I've not had breakfast yet.
Yeah. How many miles so far have you done?
Not far, 10.
10, no far. That's pretty good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good ride.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Hello. Right, I've got a few things to get. Can I get two loaves?
Sourdough, country sourdough, signature white, or cranberry and walnut? Cranberry and walnut?
I'll probably get some. Have you got a brown?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's 10% brown.
Yeah, let's try that.
2 of
And
these.
then what breads have you got? You got?
Country sourdough, signature white, and cranberry and walnut sourdough.
Let's try one of each, one of white and brown.
White, yes.
Great, thank you.
So,
And then you got the coconut ones, not today.
not today, no.
Oh man. I'll get 3 brownies.
3 brownies.
And then I'll get 2 of these buns.
Sure. Two, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Cheers.
Good morning, sir.
Sourdough, please.
Of course. Good morning.
Could I please get one sourdough?
Sure.
And do you have the country?
This is a country sourdough.
The other one.
The white, signature white,
Yeah,
yes.
one white, one sourdough, please.
Sure.
I love some white.
Yeah, it's a good one for
And
soup.
could I get
Is
4 plain croissants?
of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
See you next
See ya.
week.
Hey,
Hi.
morning.
Can I get a white sourdough, please?
Sure,
Or can I grab 2?
sure.
One in the second bag.
And separate back. Yeah, sure.
They sausage rolls.
Yes.
3 sausage rolls.
Of course.
Two chocolate brownies.
2 brownies.
And 4 cinnamon swirls as
4
well.
brownies.
First time I've come. I've been
Thank you.
meaning to come for so long.
Where are you coming from?
I only live up the road, but
Just around here. Wow.
yeah, but it's been a bit of a
Nice.
crazy time for us. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much. I hope you enjoy it.
We will.
Thank you.
Now my son's girlfriend wants a pan of chocolate.
Pound chocolate, sure. Thank you. Good,
How's it
good,
going?
good, good. How
We
you
had
guys?
placed an order on email for Taylor. ahead of
Taylor.
time.
Sounds American.
Yes, my mom
Hey.
found
Yes.
you.
Indiana, I watch you on YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
And this was on my checklist to make sure
So that you come.
feet.
Oh, thank
Leo
you.
the
Thank
baker.
you. Yeah.
What's the name again?
Taylor.
Taylor.
It was sausage rolls.
Okay. Taylor's here,
There
yes.
you go.
I was panicking in a minute.
Can we add a few more things too?
Sure, sure. I'll add this one first and then.
Sure.
Did we get sausage rolls?
Here.
We did. We got
So you get
that too.
Another
sourdough,
one?
I think I want
They
one.
look
cinnamon
like
bun,
Well, get your own. What is this? Is the
That's
2
the
almonds,
cinnamon croissant.
I've got
2
this.
sausage rolls, 2 brownies.
That would be breakfast.
Could we add on top of that? Could we
Sure.
get 2 brownies, please?
Sure. 2 brownies.
And then 1 more sausage roll, please.
1 more sausage roll.
There's the walnut and cranberry.
Yes.
And then 1 cinnamon roll, please.
And then 1 cinnamon.
I think we got the country salad. Did you want walnuts?
I can't take it
Take
with
it,
me.
yeah. They fly out tomorrow.
Ah,
so they
if I,
won't be
yeah, it
able-
won't be, yes, won't be able to,
I
no.
don't think we can eat it all by then.
No. So sourdough, 2
Thank
almonds,
you.
4 brownies, 3 sausage roll, 2 cinnamon. So you guys are the 3rd American this week.
Yeah?
Yes, this
They
week.
know about you. Is that
Yes,
how-
yes.
See on
On YouTube, yes.
Any South Africans?
No, yeah, I mean,
Here's your
there is there's plenty though here around. Yeah, there is plenty,
You're
yes.
first South African.
Ah,
of
the
day.
neighbor, yes.
Do you mind if we take a picture of
No,
you?
of course.
Is
You
that
want to come in
okay?
here or inside?
I'll take a picture with you,
Could
Leo.
you
Yes.
take one with you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll get the picture. You go
We'll
in there.
take the picture.
Yes, inside I think is better here, so you can see the production.
Get in there.
Because if I go in, I'm too
She
short.
wasn't asking.
Thanks, Leo.
Give her a pull. Okay, ready?
There you
Tom
go.
will take your picture. And you can get it with the goods.
Yes.
Cute.
All right.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
good
you for
luck.
coming. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank
we
you for
love
coming.
your message and everything.
Thank you.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Have a safe flight tomorrow.
Hey, I appreciate it. Take care.
Take care. Bye bye.
All right, we got your goods.
Good morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, good, sir. How are you guys?
They look good. Have you baked those?
Yeah, today, everything. Yes, I
show
have.
Which one?
Eh?
Which one?
Which one do you want?
They're all good, but I
We'll get a couple then.
No, I
Different
just want to have a bite.
Okay, well, we'll share one of these.
Of course.
They look amazing.
They are amazing. Very good.
All the time.
Shall we get one for later? We just nibble it.
Okay,
We'll get one of those.
Almond too.
Yeah, go on then.
They're very good. I think you regret you got one. I'm not trying to be a salesman.
They all look amazing.
Thank you.
You've had a busy night cooking.
Cooking, yes. Yes, better try.
Are you Leo?
I am Leo. I'm the one who bakes.
Oh, your name is
Thank you.
Rachel. Okay, cool.
Thank you. Nice to hear. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Just a plain white, please.
Ooh, the plain white I
got one?
think is done, but I have country sourdough.
Yeah, that's one.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah. To get out of the parking lot.
You're back again.
We drove in from Guilford this morning, so we need a pan au chocolat,
Pan chocolate, yes.
and you have, is that the regular croissant?
Yes,
You need one of those,
of course. One of these and one of these.
and those are the cinnamon
The
rolls.
cinnamon, yeah,
Could I get 3 of those?
sure.
We sat in the car, opened the bag, started splitting
Start
it.
trying it.
Said, okay, we gotta have another one.
Another one. Some of it might travel. I mean, I had someone from New York a few weeks ago, and he took a baguette and some brownies back.
Ours will be lucky to make it to Guilford.
Dude.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it was good. It was good sales. Only 3 sodas and 5 pan chocolat left. Time to go back home. No, go back to the bakery. Do a bit of cleaning. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you next week. Mwah.